Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the sub-series ReaderWriterLock. In this video, we will talk about the example which we are going to create in next 3 videos. So in the previous video, we learned about what is reader lock and what is writer lock. So what we are going to do here, we will specify a number, say 5 or 6, let's say 10. Then here we will be adding a sequence of number in a array list based on what you feed here. Then once you click this specific button, we will perform reading and writing operation. That means we will be using an array, and this array will be populated based on the number you specify. So how big the array depends on what number you will give, and there will be one writer thread here. Writer thread will populate the array. Suppose if you give 10 here, the array will contain 50 elements. The writer thread will write the array in batches. That means first it will write 5 elements. So it will perform the lock. After writing the 5 element, it will release the lock. So this is what a writer will do. Then we will be having 2 reader threads, R1 and R2. So once the writer thread finished writing 5 elements here, then it will release the lock, and reader thread will enter and start reading the content. So when reader threads are reading the content, writer thread will wait. It won't write any element. Once a reader thread finished reading the content, and when both reader thread released the lock, writer thread will write next 5 elements. So this way we will check how the read lock as well as write lock both are working. So one writer thread and 2 reader thread we will use here in this example, and we will explore that when you click the reader writer lock button. So let's go to the form design. There is nothing much to explain there. So there is one button, and we already created that button, and if you want to download the code, you can download it from the video description. So it contains implementation for 1, 2, 3, these 3 buttons from our previous sub-series, and in our template the code is not yet implemented for the explore reader writer lock that we will do in the next 3 video. Thank you for watching. Bye.